Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. Today, I am going to take your English literature class. First, I would like to ask you few questions. Children, have you ever gone to a children's park? If you have been there, what all things have you seen there? You might have seen slides, swings, merry-go-round, flower beds, and benches where people sit down to take rest. Have you ever thought who maintains the park? It is a park keeper who keeps the park clean. So today we will learn a story, Partho the Park Keeper. Partho the Park Keeper. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. All of them together kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. Once every year, the park was closed. No one could use the park then. I'm glad this happens just once a year, thought Partho. I don't like to tell people to go away from the park. Now, I will explain the paragraph. Children, once there was a park keeper named Partho. He worked with 5 other people. They all together kept the park very clean. Partho loved his job very much. This park was closed just once a year. So Partho was happy that the park was closed just for a day, as he didn't like to send people away disappointed. Now we will see second paragraph. This year the park was closed on a weekend. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in the large bags. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. They trimmed the grass and hedges. They scrubbed the swings, seesaws, and slides. They repaired the broken merry-go-round. The children will be delighted. Partho smiled. Now we will see the meaning of second paragraph. This year the park was closed on a weekend. So children, what's the meaning of weekend? Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. So Partho and his team were very busy for these 2 days. Team means a group of people who always work together. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. So litter means pieces of waste, papers, bottles, and so on lying on the ground. So children, it is our duty to put the rubbish only in the dustbins provided. Rubbish means waste things which we throw. And nodded means moved the head up and down to say yes. Children, Partho and his team weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. So what's the meaning of weeding? Weeding means removing unwanted plants. And flower beds means long, neat rows of plants with flowers. They trimmed the grass and hedges. Trimmed means cut the top part of the grass or plants. And hedges means rows of short plants. They also scrubbed the swings, seesaws, and slides. Scrubbed means rubbed something hard to clean it. They repaired the broken merry-go-round. Repaired means made something that is broken right. Partho thought children would be delighted when they see slides, swings, and merry-go-round. So delighted means very happy. So all these works Partho and his team did on Saturday. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, "We must put up notices that say wet paint next to the benches." By evening, everyone was tired. Partho asked his team to rest before they all went home. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new, but when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. "Oh no," said Partho. "We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down." Everyone laughed. Now, children, I will explain the paragraph. Children, which day comes after Saturday? Sunday. On Sunday, Partho and his team painted all the benches in the park. So after completing all the work, Partho told his team, "We must put up notices that say wet paint next to the benches." By evening, everyone was tired. So Partho asked his team to rest before they all went home. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So what's the meaning of snacks? Food like biscuits, fruits, and so on that you eat between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They felt very happy seeing the clean park. But when they stood up, children, can you guess what happened? Their backs were covered in paint. Oh, they forgot that the benches were just painted. Seeing the paint on their backs, Partho commented, "We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down." So children, they themselves forgot that benches were still wet. Children, rules are not for others but for us too. So we have to follow the rules and keep the surroundings clean. Children, hope you have understood the chapter. Now, I would like to give you word meaning which you have to learn. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Team means a group of people who always work together. Litter means pieces of waste paper, bottles, and so on lying on the ground. Rubbish means things that people do not want and throw away. Nodded means moved the head up and down to say yes. Weeded means removed the plants that were not wanted. Flower beds means long, neat rows of plants with flowers. Trimmed means cut the top part. Hedges means rows of short plants. Scrubbed means rubbed something hard to clean it. Repaired means made something that is broken right. Delighted means very happy. Notices means words or pictures on a piece of paper or cardboard that tell you something. Snacks means food like biscuits, fruits, and so on that you eat between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, children, we will meet in next video.